Hi guys, welcome back to another video, Shark Attack here. Today I'm showing you, oh my gosh, if you didn't see that, there was a bird that just flew right past me. It got me. Okay, so I'm harvesting lettuce that we planted, like you saw in the planting unhealthy tomato plant, in brackets, bossy dad. Yeah, so see you there. Okay, so we're just getting the net off these little lettuces. Shouldn't say little, they're massive. Look at them.
Wow, the beans are growing in. Everything is growing in.
Look at that.
There's beans in here.
Strawberries like stuck.
Do you want me to see? Do you want me to pull a carrot?
Yeah.
Let's come around.
I'm pulling one carrot.
Let's see. There's a baby carrot there. Ready? Cap on it?
Yeah. It's a conjoined one.
They're only tiny, but still, they're carrots.
We can eat them.
Yep. We'll push the other ones back in.
Let them grow again.
And these are the lettuce.
So you don't take the whole thing off at the moment. You just take a little bit off, because there's other ones that grow into balls and you take the whole thing. But yeah, not the best idea. So you've got little things, and then you wash it and do all that stuff.
It's not very good.
Look at that. This one got hit by hail.
Do you want me to take one out altogether? Because these look like we could take them out and use them.
Yeah. So we're gonna take one fully out. Look at that. Can I hold it?
Yeah.
Look at that. It actually came out. There's so many roots in that.
Do you want me to break them
Oh my
off?
God. So
Yeah.
that's what came off it. That is so much dirt.
We can cook up make a lettuce with it tomorrow.
A lettuce.
Salad, I mean.
So how do you make a lettuce with lettuce? Like you put the lettuce leaves into
See, look at the beans that are growing here.
Look. Oh my gosh. Oh. I just harvested.
Oh my god, guys.
I got one. Strange. Never knew that was happening. And then there's little ones growing over here.
Yep, little beans in there.
Are they making up for a video?
Yeah.
See?
Yes, all that growing.
And some of them are breaking.
Yeah. And then here's the tomatoes this is the tomato plant that we grew.
But they need to be big enough.
Yeah. They're growing so good. Look at
They
this.
grow quicker from the sun.
They do. The sun gives energy, doesn't it?
Yeah.
See that one? It's pretty much red.
And Dad's
Soon we'll be
picking
able
all,
to pick that.
these carrots, are these carrots?
No, they're carrots. Look.
And these beans.
See?
Oh my. Serious.
And then,
Okay. There we
yeah.
go.
They look
That's
so
it.
good.
Look,
Can I see?
this is a dead leaf.
And guys, the lettuce is growing.
Yeah.
And that's
So
a dead leaf.
that's a dead leaf. We don't want
Dad,
that.
can I have a look over
Yeah.
all this? Wow.
So let's see them. Whoa. So we just got
And
carrots
tonight,
and
they're all gonna grow.
cool. Yeah.
And,
And then the
should
strawberries
we
waiting
pick a
for
little bit
us to
more
plant it.
lettuce?
Yeah. What? I think. So this is our build. As I said, that's my bedroom. So at some point I'll be able to walk on the top. It's not there. Where has the other tomato plant gone? Threw it out. Where? Oh, there.
We haven't treated him very well.
Yeah, there's one growing on there randomly that shouldn't be growing. And then Yeah.
Where is it?
it's just there.
Yeah, just watch it tick.
Is it red?
No.
No.
Is it green?
It's green, yeah. Oh, wait, what's the shovel for?
Don't
I'm
make
just
the pig
going
cow.
to.
Yeah, see you later.